Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Awei T35 smart earbuds. In today's video we will test these gaming headset or gaming earbuds. We will see if they are worth to buy, how they work, and if they work like they say they should work. So let's go ahead, start the unboxing and try them out with different ways. Like we saw before, different types of Awei devices. The package is very similar. We have T35, Bluetooth 5.0, IPX5 water resistant, and we have some different types of information here at the front that we will see later, and we will talk about them. Here at the package, very good package, we have to mention that, and everything is wrapped up. We have one Type-C charger, small, but it does the job. We have different types of sizes for the earbuds itself, and the case is very protected. Very good design of the case too, which is very impressive at the first sign. This is how it will open up, and you can see immediately the earbud sits really good and look pretty good as well. Underneath all that we have the user manual that right now we don't need. We will see it later if we need so. This is the package or the case for the earbuds itself. They are magnetic and they recharge here. Let's put them on and try them out immediately. So the case itself is charged and the earbuds are charged. Here in the iOS we have to go at the Bluetooth to connect them. Awei T35 at the bottom immediately. Press them and they should connect without any problem like this. You can see right now they are connected. We go straight to the YouTube and try them out. This is one of the songs that I always test my earbuds. You can see immediately when I touch one of the earbuds, it connects and it works with the volume. We have in the light or the left one, touch the area to answer calls or reject phone calls with 2 seconds to reject phone calls. Touch 1 second to hang up, touch for play and touch for pause. We have again in the left side we have long touch for volume down, double touch for the previous track, and 3 touches to wake up Siri. In the right side we have long touch for volume up, double touch for the next track, and 3 touches for gaming mode. So in the right side we have the gaming mode with triple tap. In the left side we have the Siri or Google Assistant, whatever device you are using. You can see right now we are trying to use the touch sensitivity like that we mentioned before. You can see with double tap that we mentioned, you can play the next song with the right side obviously. With the left side you play the previous song. We have too much things going on with these earbuds, which is always a good thing. Always a good thing to have good controls and different types of controls, so you don't have to pull up your phone every time you want to change the song or control the volume. Now the Siri is activated. We have dual microphones for better hearings, and we have also the noise cancelling, which is awesome. The volume, we have to say that is very good. We have the very good bass and clear sound. We will test these in a couple of weeks. In these couple of weeks for gaming, and we will see if they work perfectly. For the gamers in our channels, we know that if you try to use Bluetooth headset while you're gaming, for example while you are playing PUBG, we have a slightly delay, but Awei announced that with the T35 we don't have too much delay and we can play different type of games. We will try that and let you know definitely if they work with gaming. But for the sound, we have to say that, like always, Awei devices are very good with the sound. Very good bass, you don't hear too much for your surrounding, which is always good. You don't want to mix sounds with different songs that is playing, for example, in your room or when you are in the crowd. But for the price, the Awei T35 are very good material. They don't feel cheap and they feel solid, which is always a good thing. You can see now the Google Assistant in the Android is powered on and it actually hears you. When I say open YouTube, it opened up immediately. So these are the Awei T35. I think these are worth to buy. The sound is very good. Definitely we will let you know in comment down below if they are good with gaming or not. If you have these, comment down below and let me know what you think and how does they work for you. So this was all for today's video. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next video with another smart device.